Hello students, how are you all? So come on, we will start our day with prayers. So all close your eyes and join your hands. Om Bhur Swah Tattva Visurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhiman Diyo Yo Na Prachodaya Diyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Now put your hands down and open your eyes. Student, that day in the last lectures I have explained you about helpers and their tools. So today we are going to write in our notebooks helpers and their tools. So now all students open your EVS notebook. We are going to write in our EVS notebook. Okay, tools, helpers with tools. So student, first here we have to write CW. Now our on the top space you write our helpers and tools of helper. Okay, so first one we are going to write teacher. T E A C H E R, teacher. Second one, see the blue line and the red line how I am writing. Doctor. D O C T O R, doctor. Third one, policeman. P O L I C E M A N, policeman. Fourth one, postman. P O S T, post. Then again man, post man. Fifth one, mason. mason कौन होता है? फिर आपको मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, आपकी न्यू बिल्डिंग्स जिसमें आप रहते हो रिपेयर करते हैं, दैट इज mason. Yes. Sixth one is cobbler. C O B B L E R, cobbler. Seventh one is carpenter. C A R, car. P E N, pen. Carpenter. Okay. So now student, I have this much only lines. So you have to continue. आपको ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरे पास थोड़ी कम स्पेस है, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे ही साइड पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके लिख रही हूँ. ओके. Eighth one is barber. B A R B E R, barber. Ninth one is tailor. T A I L O R, tailor. Tenth one, farmer. F A R M E R, farmer. And the 11th one, last, milk. Write the spelling of milk. Then man, milk man. See student, our helpers and tools of helpers. On the another page we are plain side जो है ना हमारा, वहां हम इनके टूल्स को ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, The first one is teacher. You know who is your teacher? आपको पढ़ाती है स्कूल में. डॉक्टर, जब आप बीमार होते हो तभी आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो. पुलिसमैन, आपने देखा होगा पुलिसमैन. पुलिस स्टेशन. Postman, that they have explained you bring letters, pass your messages. Mason, build, home, new buildings and repair. Cobbler, मतलब मोची, who mends your shoes. Carpenter, makes furniture and furnish your house. Barber, cut your hair and give you new hairstyle. Tailor, make new dresses. Farmer is very hard working man. He grows vegetables, fruits, cereals, many more things. Okay. And milkman, you gives the milk in the morning. आपके घर पे आते हैं ना milkman केन लेके. Yes. So this way you have to write on this page. Now, childrens, we have written here 11 helpers. Now we are going to draw the tools related to that helper. First one is teacher. So first we will draw a rectangle. See how we have to draw one standing line, sleeping line like this. Okay, and here small triangle. Okay, this is a board. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we have to draw a chalk and a duster. This also rectangle shape and this is a duster. Okay, and second one is doctor. So second one is doctor. What you will do? You have to make here U. Okay, then again U, circle. Okay, then we have to make standing line like this C and this C. Okay, now we have to make here, this is what? Stethoscope, injection. Again sleeping line small, one standing line, two small sleeping line like this, small circle. Now we have to put a line. This is a measuring line. How many ml you have to give injection? 1 ml, 2 ml medicine we have to put. For this is measuring. Now third one is policeman. What the policeman? It's the gun. To make a gun. Okay. Simple line you have to make. This slant line, this one line, and make a gun. And this is a हथकड़ी. देखिए आपने पुलिस कैसे लगाती है हैंड्स में. Yes. So this lock their hands. Okay. Now fourth one is to make a letter. Again we have to make a rectangle. Very simple. Then one slanting line. Again this slanting line. Letter who pass messages. Fifth one is mason. Mason build house. So first आपको वापस rectangle बनाना है. Means a brick. ईंट को बोलते हैं SB. ठीक है. And this is a trowel. They used to put cement. With this help of this, they put cement on the brick. And sixth one is cobbler. You have to make a simple shoes like this. See, then take a line. This line you have to join like this and this. Okay. This is a shoes. Okay. This is a shoes. Okay. This is a tear from here. Cobbler mend your shoes. This is a needle. Okay. And this is a thread which the cobbler used to mend your shoes. Now seventh one is you have to make here X. So simple triangle again. See. Now simple rectangle first you have to make. This line, standing line, again sleeping line, this, and you have to do like this, zigzag, 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 zigzag till here. Okay, and you have to make here one handle. This is a handle of a little you have to erase this line, so you will get a nice finish, the X. Okay, now again up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, yes, the carpenter use. This is the nails, किल्ला बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. Yes, and a hammer. Now eighth one is what? Barber use scissors. So slanting line, curve, slanting line, curve. Okay, this is a scissor. Now you have to make a comb. This line, slanting line, again small line, slanting line, little slant. This way you have to come down, and this way. This is a comb. What is this? This is a comb. कंघी बोलते हैं ना. Yes. And ninth one is tailor. Tailor use thread and needle. This way, little big thread you have to make. Okay. Zigzag, zigzag, zig. This is the threads. Okay, then you have to do lines on it. You will get a thread look, and you have to make one big needle. Okay, this is a needle and this is a thread. Now it's a farmer. 10th one. With the help of this, he cut the crops. This way, take a curve, come down, make a this way handle. Take a line, come down. Okay. Now for again you have to use this curve. Yes, with help of this, cut the crop. And the milkman, we have to make a cane. Milk cane. To put a handle like this. You can make this simple standing line. Okay. Then you have to this measuring cup with go up and make a like this handle, and you have to sleeping line. To this way we have made the tools. See nicely children how I make the tool. Yes, see how I have make the tools. Teacher, doctor, policeman, postman, mason, cobbler, carpenter, barber, tailor. This is farmer and milkman. So children, see how I have nicely done this. So you have, this is your CW, and the same way you have to write in your HW. You have to draw the tools and complete your work. You have to write your helper name, and this side you have to draw their tools and complete your work. Bye student.